get a lot of questions about my sanding equipment, and I had a DeWalt orbital sander which lasted me for years and was a workhorse. Loved it. I recently bought this new Bosch orbital sander. Love it. But I also get asked about higher priced sanders and equipment such as Festool and Surf Prep. I've heard nothing but great reviews about these two brands. However, they are costly. We're talking $600 plus, even up to $1,000. And then you have to buy the special sanding pads and sandpapers to go along with it, etc. So at this point, I have not made the investment as of yet because I'm really, really pleased with what I use. But to turn my regular sander into a makeshift surfy prep sort of type of sander that can actually sand and contour legs like these, I use these sanding pads and I purchased them off Amazon. They are under $15 and they make sanding contoured areas of wood a breeze. I mean, it makes a huge difference. These work amazing on curved legs as they contour with the shape because they have that sponge in between. Without the sanding buffer pad on, you'd have to strip the finish off with a stripper or hand sand these curves. So this makes my job so much easier. If you're interested in trying these sanding pads, I will leave the link in the description below if you'd like to try it on your sander.